You're not losing because you're dumb. You're losing because the game was rigged against you from the very start. Let that sink in for a second. Every year, thousands of people open a brokerage account, get fired up by the promises of fast profits and financial freedom, and they wind up frustrated, confused, and very often broke. They start trading to escape the rat race, to create freedom, to build wealth, but they end up feeling stuck in just another hamster wheel, just with more screens and more stress. Why? Because they're set up to fail from day one. The content they consume is, it's entertaining, it's engaging, but it's not empowering. The advice they get is recycled, regurgitated, and it rarely works in the real world. And worst of all, they blame themselves when it doesn't work. But I want you to hear me on this. It's not your fault. The way most people are taught to trade is broken. And I know because I've seen it from both sides of the table. I didn't come from money, no silver spoon, no Ivy League education or secret handshake into elite trading circles. I built my career from the ground up, eventually landing executive roles at investment banks like Goldman Sachs and Citi. And while that may sound impressive on paper, what it really gave me was a front row seat to how the real game is played. I spent over 20 years working as a professional in global financial markets, learning how big money really flows, how institutions actually manage risk, and how professionals think differently than the public when it comes to trading and taking risk. But here's what really opened my eyes. When I left that world, I realized something disturbing, and that is the average person, people like you and me, is taught a completely different game, a broken one. You're told to always buy the dip, trust the process, follow some Instagram guru's chart patterns, or blindly trade the news. This is like being handed a map of New York and being told to find your way through Tokyo. I realized I had to take everything I knew from inside the machine and build a system that could actually work for regular people, people like me, people like you. A system that's simple, repeatable, and brutally honest about how trading success is really achieved. So I started coaching everyday traders, hard workers, people who should have been successful but weren't. They had passion, they had drive, they had the desire, but they didn't have the right plan. They were trading opinions, trading YouTube tips, trading emotions. And when it didn't work, they thought they were the problem. Either that, or they blamed it on the markets being rigged. Now, this all hit me pretty hard because I knew they were being sold a dream and handed a nightmare. So I took everything I'd learned, decades of real experience, and distilled it into a practical, proven system that works for real people with real lives and real constraints. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever opened a trade only to second guess it 5 minutes later? Have you ever felt that tight knot in your stomach when the market moves against you and you freeze? You're unsure whether to cut the loss or cross your fingers and wait for it to turn around or even add to it. Have you ever chased the trade because someone said it was about to explode only to watch it crash and burn? None of that is trading. That's torture. Most retail traders don't fail from lack of effort. They fail from lack of clarity. They lose because they're emotionally hijacked and they're technically unprepared. Too much noise, too little structure, zero repeatable edge. They're trying to build financial freedom with tools and tactics that were never designed to work, let alone win. And I see it every day. Traders with potential stuck in the cycle of hope and regret. But what if the problem isn't you? You've just never been given a repeatable process that works, tools that simplify and clarify, a structure that gives you confidence to execute. You've just never been shown how to consistently stack the odds in your favor. So here's the question. What actually works? Well, what if you stopped treating the market like a thing to conquer and started treating it like a game of probabilities? Here's the system I teach, what I call the Tao of Trading. It's built on 3 powerful principles. The first principle, trade setups, not opinions. We don't trade news, we don't trade narratives or stories or gut feelings. We trade setups, repeatable patterns with clear rules, defined risk, and favorable probability. If there is no setup, there is no trade. Principle number 2, manage your risk first. Your number one job as a trader is to not be right, it's to not blow up. Great traders aren't right all the time. They just lose less when they're wrong. And that makes all the difference. Number 3, follow a plan. If you don't have a plan, you are the plan. We define our edge, map out our entry, stop, and target before we click a single button, and we stick to it. This system removes the emotional roller coaster. It brings structure, clarity, and confidence. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. You scan the markets using a custom dashboard that shows you exactly where the high probability setups are forming that day. You see a setup that you recognize instantly. It's clean, it's familiar, the system of indicators are all lined up. You've practiced it hundreds of times. You define your risk, you place the trade, and then you walk away. You're not glued to the screen. You're not hoping, you're not stressed out, and you're not reacting. You're executing. That's the shift. From guessing to knowing. From emotional chaos to calm professionalism. That is the power of a good system. Now, I know there are a lot of trading educators out there, so why listen to me? Well, here's what sets us apart. We teach you how to think, not just what to do. We focus on mastering a few powerful setups, not overwhelming you with dozens of conflicting strategies. And we provide real tools, custom indicators that were designed to work together, dashboards, scanners that simplify your decision-making. And we build everything around risk management because success in trading starts with not losing money. If you can get really good at not losing money while consistently following the process, your success becomes almost inevitable. This is about long-term consistency, not get rich quick. Calm execution and getting your time, energy, and freedom back. Take Michael, one of our members in his early 40s. He spent years jumping from course to course, losing confidence and money along the way. He joined Options Academy Elevate, committed to the process, and after his first month of live trading, he messaged me. He said, "I never thought to be successful in that way from the beginning, up 49% in the first month." Or Anne, a retiree from Australia. She tried several courses in trading to earn an income in retirement, but Options Academy Elevate was the only one that made her dream of consistent income possible. These aren't unicorns, they're just regular people who finally had the right map. By the way, if you want to see the markets the same way that's helped thousands of our members achieve trading success, there's a link below this video. You'll gain insights into how thousands of people just like you win in the markets, all for free. No fluff, no hype, just a proven process to help you take control of your trading and start building real momentum. Because once you understand why most traders lose, you'll finally know how to start winning. Like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and please let me know in the comments what's your biggest trading frustration right now.